and Archibald Donito. Make your final choices now. Anytime now, race number 10. Mr. Tony Calvento, good evening. Good evening. All set now, ready to race. The favorite, Jaden Lablolo. Anytime now, away I go. Gun with the wind from the outside is Apple Green. Moving up in between runners, Jaden Lablolo, like kay Manila. It's Gun with the wind by about 2 lines, followed by Lake kay Manila. Jaden Lablolo is racing in third, Apple Green. Tarlac moving up by the row is entry number 3, Sir Goody. And inside the last 800, Gun with the wind, like kay Manila. Jaden Lablolo, Sir Goody, Apple Green, Tarlac, emergency call. And rounding the far turn, Gun with the wind, like kay Manila. Jaden Lablolo is racing on the outside, Sir Goody, Apple Green, Tarlac, emergency call joining them as they race the last 450. Now the course of the wind has been altered with Jaden Lablolo is now the leader, and Gun with the wind, like kay Manila. Emergency call is on the outside. Jaden Lablolo by about 2 lengths now, like kay Manila. Gun with the wind, and nearing the finish line, Jaden Lablolo, well trained by Mr. Atong Yamko. Second, like kay Manila. Gun with the wind, emergency call, Sir Goody, Pentafecta.